Sentir.
Epilepsy.
Sim.
Could not breathe properly.
O ar falta.
The air was always lacking because of the epilepsy. Okay, so now how is he doing?
Agora,
He's breathing a lot.